country. In the heart of the Sahel, 3 nations chose their own path. After the coup, Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso formed the Alliance of Sahel States. They sent colonial powers packing, took control of their minerals, and built refineries, bridges, and factories.
In the heart of the continent, an alliance did what few thought possible. Its own central bank, a gold refinery, a passport, and an electric vehicle industry built by Africans for Africans. But outside powers weren't cheering.
In Cotonou, a dawn coup to unseat Benin's longtime ruler was crushed within hours, not by the dictator's own guard, but by Nigerian troops. Abuja calls it a mission to prevent chaos. Critics see something else. As armored columns rolled over the border, demonstrators flooded the streets, demanding change.
The struggle for a future. In the heart of West Africa, U.S. bombs fall on Nigerian soil, sold as security partnerships, meant to bind ECOWAS and fracture the Sahel alliance. But Nigeria turns to a new currency, to BRICS, and suddenly, insurgencies ignite.